Hi, it's Tamara here from Transformation for Women, tamaradon.com, and as you know, I love to encourage mums to have EFT as their habit, and it's definitely my habit, but that doesn't mean that sometimes I don't fall off the bandwagon and overcommit and feel frazzled about it. But what I do have is the tool to help me overcome that, and the key is that I'm actually remembering to do it. So I was thinking about doing it this morning, and I thought I would share this with you in case you also are feeling overcommitted and frazzled this morning. So if you haven't done EFT before, then simply do what I do and say what I say. And if you don't like what I do or say, then simply don't do it. And if you do tap along with me, you agree to take responsibility for your own well-being. So just starting with the side of your hand and say, even though, and just repeat after me, even though I've packed too much into my week and I'm feeling a bit frazzled and a bit stressed, I accept myself anyway. And even though part of me is beating myself up about getting into that old habit again of trying to fit in too much into my week, maybe there should have been 25 hours in the day or 8 days in this week, or even 5 weeks in this month, although let's go for 6 weeks in this month. And there aren't. I accept myself and the things I've packed into my week and the amount of time that I have. So tapping through the points now, all this feeling of stress, all this feeling of overwhelm, this feeling of frazzled, overcommitting, packing in too much, making me stressed. And breathing into that area of your body that feels most stressed. For me, it feels like my head and shoulders. So taking a deep breath into those areas. And if there was a colour that could dissolve that stress and that frazzled feeling, what colour would that be? So for me, it would be, I'm just looking at a beautiful pale pink rose. Let me see if I can show it to you. There it is. Can I zoom in? No, I can't zoom in. Anyway, so the pale pink of that rose. So just infusing that, for me it's going to be that pale pink rose colour into my head and shoulders, dissolving that stress, dissolving that frazzled feeling. Dissolving that anxiety about getting it all done. And I'm also imagining the sweet scent of that beautiful pink rose, and I'm infusing that sweet scent of roses into my head and shoulders where I'm feeling that stress. And taking a deep breath in now. and noticing my feet on the ground and taking another deep breath. And imagining and visualizing that my feet are growing deep roots into the earth, rooting me and grounding me, bringing my energy from the top of my head down into the ground, grounding and rooting. Becoming present in this moment of nature. Breathing in the green nature around me. Breathing in the blue sky. Allowing myself to be deeply supported by nature, by Mother Earth. Coming back to myself and this present moment. Inviting in the quality of trust, of knowing that there's more than enough time to do everything I need to do. Easily and effortlessly. And infusing that pale pink, sweet scented rose energy into every cell of my body and every fibre of my being. Into every part of my day. Into everything I need to do today. Infusing ease and softness of the pale pink rose into all my jobs, into my to-do list, into my interactions with people, into my thoughts and feelings, infusing joy into my day, infusing peace and ease into my day, infusing fun into my day, open to the possibility of ease and flow, of joy, of knowing that I've got more than enough time to do everything I need to do with ease and grace and magic and miracles. And say transform and take a deep breath, transform. So I don't know about you, but I'm feeling a lot calmer, a lot more present, really noticing my feet on the ground, really feeling connected to nature, and that beautiful pink rose, which I'm going to try and bring over to show you. Whoops. There we are. Okay, have a completely amazing day today. I would love to know how you felt during this tapping, whether you feel calmer. Do post in the comments below how you feel now, and if you don't feel better, then you can check out my troubleshooting page on my website. I will post the link. And if you would like to download a de-stress tapping video or join my 10-day Get My Sanity Back challenge, then do go over to my website. The Get My Sanity Back challenge website link is getmysanityback.com, and to download the de-stress video, it's tamaradon.com. Okay, have an amazing, peaceful and calm day. Bye.